Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can float parts above the build plate in Bambu Studio. Now this is a safety feature on the Bambu Studio, so you won't have pieces floating around and won't cause a print failure. Now to get started, unfortunately you need to have a sacrificial primitive size right here, or the primitive shape. So the first thing that you want to do is to basically add a primitive shape. In my case, I'm just going to make this a cube, and then to minimize the ways, I'll then scale it really small. From there, you then want to head over to the objects category, and then you want to select both of your objects right here. Right click on it and then click on merge. Now, speaking of the sacrificial shape, you then want to select the shape that you want to maybe go ahead and basically lift up from your plate, and then click on the move button, and then from here you can simply move it to anywhere you want to, and you are good to go. As of the moment, this is the only way to do this, where you need to have a sacrificial shape, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.